Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can go ahead and cancel a Peacock subscription right there on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter what you're gonna do first of all, you're gonna simply go ahead and install your Peacock TV app, or if you're in your browser, make sure you're logged in. So I'm simply gonna go ahead and tap on this Peacock TV app. Once you're done, we can simply find this kind of interface over here. We can simply go ahead, browse the shows and watch, and go ahead filter according to our needs, right? But if you wanna check on the subscriptions option, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon that will be given below right corner, and it depends on mobile phone. If it's Android, it might be on the top right corner. But once you have done, you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this account option. Now choose your account and tap on this account settings, and now you can see this payment and plans and payment method, right? So if you simply want to, so I'm already in this free plan over here in this Peacock TV, but if you have a plan that you have chose from any of this premium and the premium plus, you can simply tap on this upgrade or change option. If you tap on it, then this option, that then you will have to enter your payment methods, and you will simply apply that particular plan, right? But if you want to change it or cancel it, you can simply go ahead again, tap on your plan and tap on this cancel or change if you would like to change from over here, or simply cancel one and go back to your free plan, then you can do it. But let's say if you have already paid for a month and then you in between you would like to leave it, then make sure that you use your plan till the time that you have paid for, and then simply you can go ahead and use. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.